Kidney beans, nutrient-rich goodness and heart support. Kidney beans, also known as Phaseolus vulgaris, is a well-loved legume widely used across all over the world. They aren't just tasty and adaptable when cooking, however, they also provide an impressive nutritional power. They have a dazzling nutrient profile. To their benefits for heart health, kidney beans provide a variety of health benefits, making an excellent supplement to your food plan. In this post, we'll look at various reasons it is important to include kidney beans into your diet to ensure a healthy heart and body. The first and most important thing is that kidney beans are a great source of a variety of essential nutritional elements. A cup cooked of kidney beans has about 15 grams of protein, which makes them an excellent vegetarian protein source that is plant-based for vegetarians and vegans. In addition, kidney beans are high in fiber that helps in digestion, encourage regular bowel movements, as well as help to maintain an ideal weight. They are also an excellent source of many minerals and vitamins, such as folate and iron, as well as magnesium as well as potassium. One of the most significant advantages of kidney beans is their capacity to improve heart health. They are a great source of antioxidants that can protect your body from the effects of oxidative stress as well as reduce inflammation. Inflammation and oxidative stress are the two main risks for developing heart diseases, and eating kidney beans frequently can fight these damaging processes. Additionally, kidney beans have an abundance of soluble fiber that has been proven to reduce cholesterol levels. Through decreasing LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and the levels of triglycerides, kidney beans are able to prevent the development of heart diseases. Alongside their heart-healthy qualities, kidney beans provide a variety of other health benefits. First, their fiber content may help to control blood sugar levels, which makes the beans a great choice for people suffering from diabetes or who are at risk of getting the disease. Insoluble fiber found in kidney beans reduces the digestion of glucose, stopping rapid rises of blood sugar. Additionally, the fiber content can promote satiety, which aids in losing weight and prevent excessive eating. Kidney beans can also be beneficial to promote an overall healthy digestive system. They are rich in fiber, which aids in nourishing the beneficial bacteria that live in our guts and improves overall health of the gut as well as preventing various digestive issues. Additionally, kidney beans possess an extremely low glycemic index, which means they will have less effect in blood sugar when compared with other starchy food items. They are a good option for those who want to manage the levels of their blood sugar and improve their metabolic health. Incorporating kidney beans into your diet isn't just healthy for you, but also to the planet. The legumes, which includes kidney beans, are less carbon-based in their footprint than animal protein sources. Incorporating more plant-based proteins like kidney beans into your diet can reduce carbon emissions and also help to create a more eco-friendly food system. If you're looking to incorporate kidney beans in your daily diet, the options are limitless. The versatile legumes are a great addition to many different recipes, including stews, soups to dips and salads. It is also possible to mash them and then shaped into burgers made of vegetarian meat or included in casseroles to give an energizing twist. If you cook kidney beans, it is essential to soak them prior to cooking in order to lower their phytic acid levels and increase digestion. It is also possible to combine kidney beans with other grains like rice or quinoa for a complete protein source. The bottom line is that kidney beans are an incredibly nutritious food item that provides a vast variety of benefits for health. With their amazing nutrient list to their beneficial effects on heart health, they are an excellent addition to any food plan. When you include kidney beans into your diet, you will benefit from improved cardiovascular well-being, improved digestion, and regulated blood sugar levels, as well as contribute to a healthy and sustainable system of food. Why not incorporate kidney beans in your favorite dishes and reap the numerous benefits they can bring?